From writing code to debugging software, every aspect of software development is ripe for disruption by generative AI. What if your code was generated almost instantly by an AI assistant? What if bugs were identified and fixed automatically? What if designing software architectures was done with the help of AI-powered tools? This is not a distant future. It's the new reality of software engineering. Let's take a look at this amazing world together. Here are some glimpses of the future of software development powered by generative AI. You will see code being written and debugged faster than ever before. Software designs will be more efficient and reliable, and developers will have AI-powered assistants. That will make their jobs easier and more productive. So let's dive into the exciting world of the future of software engineering and see what the possibilities are. The year is 2045. The place is a modern high-tech office building. Inside the building, there is a large open space with several teams of developers working on cutting-edge projects. Each team has a dedicated AI assistant that helps them with all aspects of software development, from writing code to debugging software. The AI assistants are represented by avatars that are customized by each team to reflect their unique style and personality. For example, there is a team that has an AI assistant that looks like a robot with flashing lights, and another team that has an AI assistant that looks like a bird that can fly around the office. The developers interact with their AI assistants by speaking to them naturally, and the AI assistants respond in kind. The developers are able to write code much faster than they could before, because the AI assistants can generate code for them almost instantly. The code is also more efficient and reliable, thanks to the AI assistant's ability to identify and fix bugs before they become major problems. The developers are also able to design more efficient and scalable software architectures, thanks to the AI assistant's ability to analyze and optimize code. Overall, the AI assistants have made the developers' jobs much easier and more productive. They are able to produce higher quality work in less time, which has led to increased job satisfaction and better business outcomes. In addition to the AI assistants, the office is also equipped with advanced technology such as neural networks that run on powerful computers. These neural networks are used to analyze and improve the efficiency of code. They are also used to generate documentation for code, making it easier for developers to understand complex code bases. The office environment is highly collaborative, with developers from different teams working together to solve complex problems. The AI assistants facilitate this collaboration by providing a common platform for developers to share their ideas and work together. The developers are able to communicate with each other more effectively, thanks to the AI assistant's ability to translate their natural language into code. The AI assistants also provide developers with real-time feedback on their code, helping them to improve their skills and stay up to date with the latest coding best practices. The use of generative AI in software development has many benefits. It allows developers to write code faster, more efficiently, and more reliably. It also makes software designs more efficient and scalable. Additionally, AI-powered coding and debugging tools can help developers learn new coding languages and frameworks more quickly. This leads to increased productivity, improved software quality, and happier developers. As we move forward, it's clear that generative AI will play an increasingly important role in software development. Developers who embrace this technology and learn how to use it effectively will be in high demand. So, if you want to stay ahead of the curve and be part of the future of software engineering, start learning about generative AI today. With its ability to generate code almost instantly, fix bugs before they become major problems, and optimize software designs. Generative AI is poised to revolutionize the way software is developed. By embracing this technology, developers can free up their time to focus on the more creative aspects of software engineering and bring their ideas to life more quickly and efficiently. The future of software engineering is here, and it's AI-powered. Are you ready to join the movement? If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this futuristic glimpse into the world of AI-powered software engineering, I have another video that I think you'll love. It is a video about the top 10 tools for programmers in 2023. These are the must-have tools that every developer should be using to stay ahead of the curve and be more productive than ever before. So, if you're a programmer and you want to learn about the best AI tools out there, click on the link provided and check it out. You don't want to miss it!